Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to create a table in Excel and explore the different table options available. Here I already have a small database and I want to convert this data into a table. There are two ways to do this, a shortcut method, a non-shortcut method. Shortcut method, let's start with the shortcut method. There are two shortcut keys to create a table in Excel, Ctrl T and Ctrl L. Click anywhere inside your data range, then press Ctrl T. A small window will appear. Make sure my table has headers is checked. Then click OK. Your data is now converted into a proper Excel table with filters, formatting and smart range handling. Non-shortcut method. Now let's see how to do the same thing without using shortcut keys. Select your data using your mouse. Go to the Insert tab in the ribbon. Click on the Table button. Again check my table has headers and click OK. Just like before, your data is now formatted as a table. After creating the table, you can change the table style using the Table Design tab. Add total row. Rename the table. Use structured formulas. These features make your data easier to manage and analyze. So that's how you can easily create tables in Excel using both shortcut and manual methods. Thanks for watching.